Lift it up now. Careful with the weight. All right, hold it steady. All right, let's get organized. Pass the heavy box over here. Watch your step on the wet track. Keep blowing, get that corner clean. Copy that, moving up. Watch the dust, careful. We need more brushes over here. Keep the pressure high on the roof. Almost done down here, check the front. Roger, moving to the side now. Keep it steady there. I'm on it. Watch your back. All right, lift it slow, watch the edges. Clear the way below, coming down. Panel secured, swinging back now. All right, lift it slow, watch the edges. Clear the way below, coming down. Panel secured, swinging back now. Keep it steady. Watch the sparks. Almost there.
Keep the heat steady on the valve.
I'm almost through here.
Watch for spatter below.
Line it up. Good, now lower it. Got it, looks aligned. Tighten that bolt. Watch the clearance, keep going. Steam's rising.
Keep it smooth on the wheels.
Almost done with this section.
Check the reflection, it's perfect. Keep tightening those seat bolts. Clear the tools from the track. Check the upper deck wiring, now that the power's on.
All right, everyone, clear the area. She's ready. Stand back, give it some room.